Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change or reset your Samsung Pay PIN on your phone, step by step, in a simple and safe way. If you forgot your PIN or just want to update it for security reasons, this will walk you through the whole process. First, unlock your phone and open the Samsung Pay app. Once you're on the Samsung Pay home screen, look at the top left corner and tap the menu icon with the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From there, tap on the gear icon to open Samsung Pay settings. Scroll until you find the option that says Change Samsung Pay PIN and tap on it. Samsung Pay will first ask you to enter your current PIN. Go ahead and type in your existing 4-digit PIN to confirm it's really you. After that, you'll be prompted to create a new PIN. Enter your new 4-digit PIN carefully. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but also keep it secure. Samsung Pay won't allow a PIN that uses the same number 3 or more times in a row, so avoid things like 1111 or 2222. Once you enter the new PIN, confirm it by entering it again. After confirming, your Samsung Pay PIN will be updated instantly. From now on, you'll use this new PIN whenever Samsung Pay asks for verification. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Samsung Pay and Android tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.